Hey, Sabana this side. So in this video, I wanted to give you a quick behind the scenes of the AI website builder of FlexiFunnels, how it is working, and it is going to build your website with just one line. You just need to type one line, and your website, your funnels are going to be built. And the best part is, it is like, so have a look at this website, okay? So this was just built by the AI website builder of FlexiFunnels, and the best part is you can look at the content. So basically, it's not just AI building your website for you. It is like, a top copywriter, a top marketer, a top conversion optimization expert, and a top designer. They are all combining together to build your website for you. So you will be typing one line, and the whole content, everything is going to be produced for you. So all of this is not given. So the prompt that was given over here inside the FlexiFunnels AI bot was that, hey, I need a webinar registration page for the dog training expert, Mr. Manoj, who is a retired military dog trainer, and just give me following sections: first fold, benefits, etc., etc. And the kind of page that actually came was this, in which the whole headline and the benefits and the sections and the content, everything is given. So this is like top notch. So what you need to do is, let's suppose you will go to start new page, okay? We are going to make this feature live in the accounts of all the FlexiFunnels customers by 1st May, by the way. Okay, so let's suppose you can add any prompt. For example, let's suppose I just asked ChatGPT to give me some more prompts. So maybe I want to add this prompt, okay, that I need a registration page for parenting expert Miss Anjali Mehra. And this is not necessary that you need a webinar registration page. You can have a website for a dentist, for a saloon, for a gym, like any kind of, you can have an appointment booking page. It is totally up to you. So just put it over there, and this is going to start doing the work for you. And the best part is that whatever page will be generated, it is going to be fully drag and drop, fully editable. So the page has been generated, and now you want to do any kind of tweaks, you can do. So for example, you wanna play with the text size, you wanna play with the, let's say, color or whatever. So you can do any kind of stuff, and your website is live on the internet. And so you can connect your domain, whatever you want to do. You want to put an image over here, for example, whatever you want to do. So everything is like fully editable. So this is the FlexiFunnels editor, which is right over here. You want to change the color or whatever, and just click on publish. Your website is going to be live on the internet. And the best part is that right now we are working. So have a look at this, all the changes that you will do. So it is going to be live on the internet. You can connect your own domain. And the best part is that right now we are also working in which, let's say, the design that you will get from FlexiFunnels, that same design you will be able to change by just chatting with the Flexi AI bot. So for example, this design has come, and let's suppose you are not happy with the design, and you just want to say that, hey, this, I don't want 3 column, I want 4 column, I want, let's say, 2 column, I want whatever. So you want to change, and let's suppose there are 6 pointers that are given over here, and you can just say that, hey, can you give me 3 more pointers, whatever it is, like, so it will be able to produce all of that stuff for you. So you can just chat, and your whole thing will be ready.